Hello, I have bought new Dell wireless keyboard and mouse set. So I think let's check what is inside the box. Maybe first of all let's check how a box looks like. It's very simple. Let's open it. Okay, we have mouse here. What else? Here we have power supply and we have keyboard, as well as we have some of manuals and documentation. So here is the model KM5221W. Right. So here is the button which we can use for switching on or switching off. For a mouse we have that one as well, on off. And of course somehow we need to put the batteries here. Here is USB stick, and here we can place the battery. Probably one should be removed. And we can try to put it here. Let's keep it here, and again just need to click and probably that's it. Yes, we can turn it on. Now let's look at the keyboard where the batteries should be placed, probably here. Yes. Here. And we need to put this here. So batteries are already in place. We can close the cover. Do you agree? Yes. Okay, so let's cover. It's closed. Okay, and we can put USB stick to USB port. The mouse is the mouse is working. Let's try to create a new document, and let's try to type something. Our keyboard is still not working. Let's check if it's turned on. Okay, it's turned off. Actually we need to turn it on. now we can try to type. Okay, now it's working. Yes, okay. Everything works as expected. So it's simple, quite cheap set. I paid for it 34 euros. So I don't think that it's expensive, and we will see how it works. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.